What's up? Welcome back to Picky Garage. If you're tuning in for the first time, thank you so much for tuning in. As you guys probably know, or as you know if you've seen my channel before, I just recently sold my 2017 GT350R in an Avalanche Gray. This is one of 4 Avalanche gray cars with no stripe. I think they made, I believe, 18 with, a stripe and without a stripe. So pretty rare color. But I just wanted to go over a cost of ownership over owning this car for the last 4 years. So I wrote everything down all the way, from insurance to gas. Yeah, I kept every receipt for every time I filled this guy up. So to start off with the car, I paid a premium on the car because I really wanted it. So the cost of the car was $90,000. On top of that, in the state that I live in, it's 6% sales tax. So 6% of $90,000 is $5,400. So we're at $95,400. After that, to get tags, I did have a special tag on this car that said R model. That costs extra, so it costs $200 to tag this car. And to renew the registration was another $200, so that's $400 right there. Oil change every 1,000 miles was $150. So this car has 4,000 miles on it, so I changed the oil 4 times, so that comes out to be $600. Tires, I went through a set of rear tires on this thing. They weren't completely bald, but this was my baby, so I wanted to be safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. So for 2 315 Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, was $400 a tire, so it came out to be $800. Since these rims are carbon fiber, the tire place that changed my tires, I made a YouTube video of that too. I'll put a little tag in. They charged me, I think, $250 to change the tires on the car. So $800 for the 2 315 Cup 2 tires, $250 for the tire change. I got rock guards on this car so it didn't chip up the side of the car. So it's this little piece right here that just slides right in there. Prevents rocks from coming back and chipping the car. Those were $30. I also got a air oil separator. I'll show you guys that. So the air oil separator, that was $150. So $150 for this guy right here, and then $90 for this Ford Performance air intake. So the blue air intake right there. From there, my insurance was $1,600 per year. So for 4 years it was $6,400, and then with all my gas totaled up it was $923.47 over the 4 years, putting 4,300 miles on this thing. So that comes out to $105,043. Yeah, so pretty much there's the whole breakdown. I might have missed like one thing, like I'm thinking the trickle charger, that costs. Oh, I also got this thing ceramic coated and paint corrected. So the whole thing was paint corrected and ceramic coated. That was $1,500. So that's $106,543 right there. And I think that's everything. I'm pretty sure that's everything, but that's the true ownership of owning this GT350R Mustang for a total of over 4 years. I bought it in December of 2016. So a little over 4 years now. It was an amazing car. You guys can watch my full review on my, saying goodbye to this thing and my thoughts and why I sold it. But yeah, it was a great car, worth every penny. That's the whole breakdown. So around $106,000 to own this car for 4 years. I sold it for around $80K. So it costs a little bit to own it for 4 years, but for me, I'm a car enthusiast. I like driving cars. They're not, you know, I don't buy them to make money. I make money, you know, with my occupation and other stuff and investing. So this is my hobby, and some people buy cars to make money. I don't. I buy them to drive them. So yeah, amazing car. If you guys want to check out the videos that I've done on this car, they're all on my channel. And if you have any questions at all, I'll answer every single one of you guys in the comments below. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.